Spectrum cable box issues, like freezing or signal loss, are often resolved with a reset. There are two main types: power cycle, which is a soft reset, and factory reset, which is a hard reset. Common problems include freezing screens, signal loss, and buffering due to software glitches or connectivity issues. A power cycle involves unplugging the cable box for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. This clears temporary memory and resolves about 80 to 90% of minor issues without losing any data. A factory reset restores the box to its original state, erasing all personalized settings, channel lineups, and DVR recordings. It's used for severe issues and requires re-entering your account details afterward. This is what a typical Spectrum cable box looks like, with its front panel buttons and indicators. Make sure your connections are secure: the coax cable from the wall to the box, HDMI to the TV, and power cable to the outlet. Always try a power cycle first, as it's safer and quicker. Before proceeding, ensure your cable connection is secure and check for service outages via Spectrum's website or app. This section provides a step-by-step guide to performing resets on your Spectrum cable box. We'll start with a diagram showing the key differences between a power cycle and a factory reset. For a power cycle, start by unplugging the power cord from the back of your Spectrum cable box. Locate the power port as shown in this image of the back panel. Next, wait 30 seconds to 2 minutes. This allows any residual electrical charge to dissipate, ensuring a complete reset of the temporary memory. Finally, plug the power cord back in. The box will turn on and reboot, which typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. This method is safe and preserves all your settings and recordings. For a factory reset, first back up any important DVR recordings using Spectrum's DVR Anywhere app to avoid losing your saved content. Using your remote, navigate to the settings menu on your TV screen, as shown in this interface example. From Settings, select Reset, then choose Factory Reset. This will erase all personalized settings and data. You'll need to enter a confirmation code, which Spectrum sends to your registered email or phone. This adds a layer of security. Follow the on-screen prompts. After the reset completes, you'll need to rescan for channels and re-enter your account details. The entire process takes 10 to 30 minutes. Keep in mind that power cycles are the first choice for troubleshooting, as they fix most problems without losing data. If issues continue after trying these resets, reach out to Spectrum customer support for further assistance.